How are plastic bags impacting on marine ecology? The problem discovered is that 370 autopsies done on turtles found that the cause of death was from plastic bags found in their stomachs. There are millions of tons of plastics in the ocean affecting marine animals negatively. Plastic can affect the marine life as it is hard to digest and sits in the stomach for days. This can cause the sea life to not eat as they are not hungry and therefore slowly starve to death. Sea life may one day become extinct due to the excess plastic found in the waters, and something needs to be done to prevent this. These things include reducing the amount of plastic used every day, such as the use of single-use plastic bags in supermarkets. Environmental sustainability could really improve through the cutting down of plastics and may enter the ocean, and individuals can help by ensuring they recycle their plastic waste. This project aims to educate people on how they can prevent the unnecessary deaths of marine life and ensure all sea animals are safe in the oceans. At the beginning of this research topic, Google was used to search for information about how plastic bags affected marine life and what could be done to change it. However, there was not much information that came from research papers or peer-reviewed journals. To solve this issue, the Curtin Library was used, where a lot of information was found via the search engine. Keywords used to find this information were plastic bags, marine life, and prevention. A science website that included a marine pollution bulletin, which was very insightful as to what the effects of plastic has on a global scale. It includes strategies for reducing the use of plastic bags and was used to answer many of the research questions. It was a challenge trying to find a peer-reviewed journal article that was relevant within the last 10 years and included enough information to answer the research question with detail. What is plastic made of, and can it be environmentally friendly? Plastic bags are made of polyethylene, which can be made in low density or high densities. However, according to Xanthos and Walker, it is not plastic bags that are causing the most problems for sea animals, but it is in fact the plastic debris. This debris can affect the marine life in that it can be swallowed by the sea life or it can choke the sea life. Plastic bags, however, do not make up most of the plastic debris and is known to be a common problem not just in water but also on land. Single-use plastic bags cannot be environmentally friendly as they do not break down and can end up in landfill or in the ocean. A safer option being used in Australia is multi-use plastic bags that can be used more than once. These bags are found less in the oceans and on land as they are not disposed of as often as single-use plastic bags. Although no plastic is environmentally friendly, there are ways in which people can prevent the amount of plastics that enters waterways and affects marine life. What effect does plastic have on marine life in the long run? There are many issues that plastic bags have on marine life. They include, but are not limited to, choking sea creatures and after the consumption of plastics, marine life thinking that they are full and so choosing not to eat, only to starve to death later. There are many sea creatures who are starting to become extinct now due to plastic and plastic bags being let in the ocean. To be specific, there are over 700 species of animals whose lives have been affected due to plastic bags and plastic debris being emitted into the ocean. What can be done as a first step to prevent plastic from impacting marine life so negatively? An obvious first step in helping the marine life is to learn how to reduce, reuse, and recycle plastics to stop it from entering the oceans. In supermarkets, single-use plastic bags have been banned and instead people are using multi-use plastic bags and reusable bags made of fabric. There is a website called One Green Planet that helps people to learn how to recycle plastics and teaches them how to do their part in helping the marine life. Some tips that can be found on the website include replacing disposable with reusables, not using plastic bags at all, checking personal products for microbeads, avoiding synthetic fabrics, and finally, learning to be free of waste. Overall, it is clear to see that the marine life is in danger of becoming extinct and that the best solution is for humans to make a difference with the way they reduce, reuse, and recycle plastics and especially plastic bags. There are so many implications for the environment, community, and wider community because the ocean is becoming unsafe for marine life, which can affect humans who may eat fish from the sea. Things can be changed by humans quite easily through education. If people were educated on how to reduce the use of plastics that are used every day, reuse plastics to prevent new plastics being made, or used and then recycle plastics when they are of no use anymore, then the oceans would be much better off, as would the marine life.